Welcome to our in-depth look at the 2025 Mini Cooper S-Clubman, a car that redefines the driving experience by seamlessly blending iconic style, exhilarating performance, and everyday practicality. Whether you're navigating the urban jungle or embarking on a weekend getaway, the Mini Cooper S-Clubman is designed to make every drive unforgettable. Number 1. Iconic design with a modern touch. The 2025 Mini Cooper S-Clubman carries on the brand's iconic design language, but with a modern twist. Its bold front grille, signature circular headlights, and distinct split rear doors make it instantly recognizable as a Mini, while sleek aerodynamic lines give it a contemporary edge. Available in a wide range of vibrant color options and customizable trims, the S-Clubman allows you to express your unique style on the road. Number 2. Turbocharged performance that excites. At the heart of the 2025 Mini Cooper S-Clubman lies a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering a thrilling 189 horsepower. This compact powerhouse combines with a finely tuned sport suspension to create an agile and exhilarating driving experience. Whether you're navigating tight city corners or carving through mountain roads, the S-Clubman's precise handling and responsive steering put you in complete control, ensuring that every drive is packed with excitement. But performance doesn't stop at speed. The Clubman also delivers impressive fuel efficiency, making it perfect for long road trips or daily commutes. With the right balance of power and economy, you get the best of both worlds. Number 3. A spacious and luxurious interior. Step inside the 2025 Mini Cooper S-Clubman and you're greeted by a spacious and luxurious interior that elevates your driving experience. The high-quality materials, including leather upholstery and soft touch finishes, create a premium feel, while customizable ambient lighting lets you set the mood for any journey. The dual-pane panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, making the interior feel even more open and inviting. With seating for up to 5 passengers and generous headroom and legroom, comfort is a priority, whether you're driving around town or heading out on a road trip. And when it comes to practicality, the Mini Cooper S-Clubman delivers. The rear seats easily fold down to create up to 47.9 cubic feet of cargo space, giving you plenty of room for luggage, sports gear, or anything else you need to bring along for the ride. Number 4. Advanced technology for a connected drive. The 2025 Mini Cooper S-Clubman is packed with cutting-edge technology designed to make your driving experience smarter, safer, and more connected. At the heart of the cabin is an 8.8-inch touchscreen infotainment system equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This intuitive system gives you easy access to navigation, music, and apps, ensuring you're always connected on the go. The digital instrument cluster provides all the key information you need at a glance, while the available head-up display keeps important details right in your line of sight, so you can stay focused on the road ahead. In terms of safety, the Mini Cooper S-Clubman has you covered with an array of advanced driver assistance features, including forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. These smart technologies help you stay safe and confident, whether you're cruising on the highway or maneuvering through busy city streets. Number 5. A fun and practical choice. The 2025 Mini Cooper S-Clubman isn't just about performance and luxury, it's also incredibly practical. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver in tight city spaces, while its spacious interior and versatile cargo options make it a great choice for longer journeys. But the real magic of the S-Clubman lies in its ability to deliver fun no matter where you're driving. Whether you're darting through traffic or taking the scenic route, the Mini's playful character and lively handling ensure that every drive is an enjoyable experience. Number 6. The ultimate Mini experience. The 2025 Mini Cooper S-Clubman truly offers the best of both worlds' iconic Mini design, exhilarating performance, and practical features, all wrapped up in one stylish package. It's the perfect car for those who want a fun and engaging driving experience without sacrificing comfort or versatility. Thanks for joining us for this in-depth look at the 2025 Mini Cooper S-Clubman. If you're ready to experience the ultimate blend of performance, style, and practicality, visit your local Mini dealership and take the S-Clubman for a test drive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more exciting automotive content. Stay tuned for more reviews, comparisons, and first looks at the latest cars on the market.